Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to remove Google account from other device. So let's go to the Gmail first. After log into your Gmail account, you have to click on this profile icon, which is top right corner. You can see at the cursor, right? Click on this profile icon and you'll find here manage your Google account. Click on this and then go to security, the fourth option, security, and scroll down till you find this option, your devices. Click on manage all devices. Now you have to scroll down and then you will find here your login devices of this Google account. So how you can deactivate or how you can log out this one, you have to just click on that specific you want to log out, then you'll find here sign out. Click on sign out, click on OK. Again, if you want to sign out this one too, click on this, click on sign out. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.